This video segment continues with the economics of global climate change, focusing on human welfare and risk avoidance. The major points of this segment are: number one, cost-benefit analyses can assess values to factors that influence human mortality or change human time commitments. Number two, societies differ in what they will spend to avoid risk. Number three, technological developments can rapidly alter the economics of a mitigation project. Global climate change will influence human health and well-being. For example, heat-related deaths will mount as heat waves become more severe. Rising sea levels will threaten coastal populations and their fresh water supplies. Greater severity of storms and forest fires will put more people at risk. Certain insect vectors that carry human diseases will extend their ranges to higher latitudes and altitudes. Warmer temperatures and altered precipitation patterns will shift food production. Policies to abate greenhouse gases will likely force people to spend more time at routine tasks such as commuting to work, heating water, and discarding waste. Economic assessments of human welfare depend on complex value judgments. What is the value of a human life? How important is quality of life? Time is money, but how much money is involved? A standard measure for the monetary value of a human life, the so-called value of statistical life, estimates what society is willing to pay for reducing each member's risk of fatality by a small amount. Planners use hedonic price or contingent valuation analysis to estimate values of statistical life. Hedonic price analyses examine what firms pay employees as a function of the risk of fatalities in different industries or jobs. Contingent valuation analysis survey the willingness of people to pay for decreasing the risk of fatalities. Estimates of the value of statistical life are highly variable. Various government agencies rely on different meta-analysis of surveys, and so their estimates of the value of statistical life in 2008 ranges from $1.3 million for the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration to $8 million for most branches of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. The Air Pollution Branch of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency recently lowered their value of statistical life from $8 million to $6.9 million. This has a large effect on policy. For example, this branch in 2005 estimated that the U.S. Clean Air Interstate Rule provided $130 billion in annual health benefits. With their new value of statistical life, annual health benefits of cleaner air declined to $112 billion. A common expression is that time equals money. Time spent at work has a well-defined market value equal to wages plus benefits. Time spent at other activities may have direct market equivalents. For example, some people pay others to do their laundry or change the oil in their vehicle, and so one can estimate the value of the time saved from the cost of these services.